Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today I've got a class for you to help you if you're feeling like your mood's off, you're feeling irritable. This class is going to help you to bring you back to yourself. So roll out your mat and let's begin. So let's just come seated on the mat. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Just have a soft gaze on a point. Placing one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Just breathing in deeply, allowing the breath to flow all the way down to your belly. Breathing in. And as you breathe out, just allow your shoulders to relax. Breathe in again. As you breathe out, just feel yourself relaxing and letting go of anything not serving you. Your body is feeling relaxed. One more deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just allowing yourself to let go. Allow your hands to be placed on your lap or on your knees. Just feel yourself just being more present here on the mat. And then just gently opening your eyes. Let's just move our wrists, moving one way and then the other way. And then just moving your shoulders one way, really taking your time, no need to rush. And just focusing on your breath, because when you breathe deeply, you're just allowing your mind to relax, the body to relax. You're nourishing all the organs in your body and just becoming more present to here and now. Let's go the other direction. You in this way. Whenever you're feeling stressed or tense, just taking a few minutes out for yourself. Just letting yourself to relax and let go, become more present, gives you perspective as well. Let's do some neck rotation. So breathing in, just coming forward. Let's do another one. Just taking your time. One more, focusing on your breath. Taking your time, no need to rush. And let's go over to the other direction. Breathing in deeply as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Let's do one more. And then coming to the center. Now we're going to stretch our shoulders and our arms and just taking one arm over to the shoulder like this and looking in the opposite direction and just stretching the fingers. Take a deep breath in, stretch, breathing out, relax your hands. Let's do the other side. Breathing in, stretch, and breathe out and relax. And then just taking your hands up, breathe in and stretch up, maybe look up at your hands. Let's come over to one side and then coming to the center as you breathe out, breathe in, stretch up, breathe out, coming to the side and then coming up to the center, stretching up, relax your hands and then coming back on your mat, widening your legs. Now you may be able to come wide like this or not, or just bring your feet a little bit in if that's comfortable to you. And we're just going to stretch up, breathe in, push your tailbone down. That's going to protect your core and your back. And then you're just going to come over to one side. Now you might be here, or you might come down a bit more, maybe flex your feet. Breathe in and stretch, come to the center. Let's come over to the other side. Breathing in, come to the center. Let's come over to the other side. Breathing deeply nourishes the organs, relaxes the mind and the body. Let's do one more. Breathe in, stretch up. Let's come over to this side. Breathe in, stretch up, and let's come over to the other side. And then coming up, stretching up and coming to the center. Just take a breath here. And then coming to the mat like this, bringing opposite foot to knee, hands behind you, breathing in, stretch up and breathe out, curving your spine the other way. Breathe in, stretch up, breathe out, come down, curve your spine. Let's do one more. Breathe in, stretch up, breathe out and come down. And let's do the other side. So bringing again the other leg or the other foot onto the opposite knee, hands behind you, breathing in, stretch up, breathing out, curving your spine, coming down, breathe in, stretch up, opening up your throat, breathe out, curve your spine, stretching your neck here too, breathing one more time, breathe in, look up, breathe out, curve your spine and come down. Bringing your legs in front of you now and just stretching up and coming forward. Now you might be here, you might be here, you might even touch your toes. It doesn't matter, you don't need to touch your toes. There's no such thing as a perfect pose. As long as you feel a stretch on your back and your neck here, it's doing its job. Just take one more deep breath in here. Maybe you can go a bit further and then coming up slowly. And then we're going to come lying down now on the mat. Just coming down gently. Taking your legs in front. And we're going to bring one knee in towards us. Really good to let go of any excess air in the belly. Helps to relax the mind, the body, and the belly too. Let's do the other side. Just bringing the knee in. Bringing that foot down. Let's bring the other foot up. Bring both knees in. Give yourself a hug. You might even be able to lift the head up. And then coming down. And then bringing your hands to your knees, your calves, your ankles, or even your feet. And just having a little play here. This is called Happy Baby. You might want to stretch one leg, might want to stretch both legs. Feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your head. And then taking your feet down, taking the other foot down too. Straightening your legs. Let's do one big stretch here. And then bringing your hands down and just relaxing here. Take a breath. Letting go of anything that's irritated you. Reminding yourself that all is okay. You're in control. Feeling relaxed in your mind and your body. I'm going to leave you here now. You can relax for a little while. Thank you for practicing with me today. Do share with anyone who could do with a lift me up. I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.